It's ecstatic times. My name is Justin Rothbart. My brand is Auction One, and we specifically specialize in the sale of property by virtue of public auction. It's a sectional title unit which we have the pleasure in bringing to you. The block is Bet-Amali, situated in St. Peter's Road, Southernwood, a very, very busy street within East London, close to most amenities, schools, public transport, and obviously our major CBD. The unit itself is situated up on the second floor. It's tiled throughout. Yes, it needs a bit of a cleanup. We've got 2 bedrooms with built-in cupboards. We've got an old fitted pine kitchen. We've got the lounge, which is semi-open plan onto the kitchen, and then that leads out onto the balcony with great views over the suburb. Who's this property for? Well, pretty much anyone. The family person, maybe who's starting out, the speculator who wants to buy, renovate and resell, or just the property investor. Because of its great locality, you'd buy this property, you would fix it up, minimum spec, and you would put in a tenant for a period of time to get your return on investment. If you'd like to come along to the auction, we'd certainly love to hear any queries which you may have. Give us a call. Auction One, number 1.